In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add page number in Word from specific page. If you have a cover, title, or introduction that shouldn't be numbered. This method lets you start numbering exactly where you want, while leaving earlier pages clean. Begin by placing your cursor at the very beginning of the page where you want numbering to start. That page will become your page 1. Now go to the Layout tab at the top of Word. Click Breaks. And under the Section Breaks section, choose Next Page. This creates a new section so your headers and footers can behave differently before and after this point, which is the key to controlling page numbers. Next, add the page numbers. Go to the Insert tab, choose Page Number, and pick the location you like, such as bottom of page. Word may add numbers to every page for the moment that's normal. We will limit it to the section you want in the next steps. Click in the header or footer area on the page where you want the numbering to begin. When you are in that area, the Header and Footer tab appears at the top. Look for the Link to Previous button and make sure it's turned off, so it's not highlighted. This unlinks the headers or footers between sections, allowing the page numbering in your new section to be independent from the earlier pages, with the header or footer still active. Go back to Page Number and select Format Page Numbers in the dialog box. Set Start at to 1, then click OK. This tells Word to begin counting from 1 at your chosen page rather than continuing from the earlier section. If you ever need a different starting number, you can set it here. But for most documents, starting at 1 is what you want. Now remove numbers from the pages before your chosen starting point. Scroll up to the preceding section your cover or introduction pages. Click directly on the page number there and press Delete. Because you unlinked the sections, this only affects the earlier section, leaving your new numbering intact where you want it. The pages after your starting point will continue numbering automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching.